start with cream. We receive cream from the processing section at a butter fat of about 35 to 40% butter fat. And then that cream, we pass it through the pasteurizer and process it to 90 degrees centigrade for about 16 seconds. And then we pass it through a deodorizer to remove any foreign aromas that might be in that cream. From there, it goes through the countercurrent flow of the pasteurizer, and we chill it to between 8 and 10 degrees centigrade. Thereafter, we pump it into the cream ripening or cream maturation tanks. In the cream maturation tanks, the cream stays there for aging or maturation for about 10 hours at that temperature of between 8 to 10 degrees centigrade. Thereafter, we check for acidity development, and the desired acidity is 0.08 lactic acid. After confirmation in the lab and after doing bacteriological analysis of the cream, then the cream is ready for butter processing. And because it has already matured, the mode of the pump changes from a centrifugal pump to a positive displacement pump so that the cream does not churn during transportation into the butter churning machine. This is the butter churning machine. This is the churning machine whereby the churning takes place of the cream into butter. There we had a liquid, but now we're going to have butter and buttermilk, which is a byproduct in the butter production. Cream comes in, and then he sets the speed in which the churning section will revolve. The separating section, he sets the speed and the cream pump. Based on that, he can be able to regulate the moisture content of the butter, and therefore will transform the butter into butter and have buttermilk as a byproduct in the butter production. The butter so produced comes through the working section, whereby if you are making salted butter, we introduce brine solution here, and we can regulate the flow rates and be able to determine the salt content through a simple titration test. So guided by the titration test, the requirement of salt content in KCC butter is maximum 3%. So the operator will be guided by the lab personnel upon titration and tell him either to adjust the flow rate or whether it is okay, then production continue. At the same time, the moisture content is also checked. Then the butter passes, when he has ascertained that the parameters are okay, the salt content and the moisture content are okay, the butter passes through these augers. They are called working section 1 and working section 2, whereby the butter passes through augers to make it into a homogeneous solid, and also to ensure that the salt is properly mixed with the butter. Thereafter, it is pumped by this pump into the packaging machine. This is called the butter pump. It is the one that is pumping butter from this section, passing through the pipe into the packing area where the butter is going to be packaged in. Right now, we are on production of the unsalted butter, so we are not dosing salt, we are not dosing brine, because this is unsalted butter. But when we are dosing brine is when we connect that hose and we open the hose. So now we package the unsalted butter. We have two packages, half kilo, 10 kilos, three packages, sorry. The half kilo, the 10 kilos, and the 25 kilos bulk. But as for today, we are packaging the half kilo. So after every 15 minutes, the lab personnel takes samples to monitor the salt and the moisture content. Even from the start, we take a sample to do the bacteriological analysis from the start, in the middle, and almost when we are finishing, we take representative samples to do the bacteriological analysis, just to ensure that the butter we are producing is meeting the specs of butter, KCC butter. Then the packaging into cartons. Packaging into cartons takes place this way. Each carton is containing 20 packets of half kilo, And we also keep on, the operator keeps on verifying the weight. After 10 to 15 minutes, we'll take a sample from the line and ensure that the weight is correct. If it's not correct, there's an adjustment that is done normally. Then after which, butter then is packaged this way, and it will be taken to the cold store, whereby it is stored at in the cold store, and the temperatures are below 0, minus 22 degrees centigrade. Butter, if it is kept at that temperature, it has a shelf life of 2 years under those kind of conditions of temperatures.